So his question is, how does luck or destiny, what role does it play in victory or success? Right? Is it all hard work? Is it all destiny? What is it? Now, in my humble opinion, destiny is the situations that come to you, which are beyond your control. For example, you didn't choose your parents. Did any of you choose your parents? You were destined. That was destiny. You were born. ऐसा नहीं बोले ये मेरी बाप, ये मेरे माँ, मैं अवतार दूंगा इनसे. Have you ever thought like that? Never. Did you ever choose your looks? ऐसा नाक होगा, ऐसा कुछ. Do you choose? No one looks as good as their Facebook profile picture, and no one looks as ugly as their Aadhaar card picture. No one. No one looks like that. Correct? So situations are destiny. You didn't choose them. They came to you. If someone comes and insults me, I didn't choose it. It came to me. That situation is destined. But my response to the situation is my choice. Response is not destiny. What I choose is my choice. And when I choose it, that decides my future destiny. This is why they say man is the maker of his destiny, not situations. Situations will remain what they are, but how you respond to those situations is completely and entirely your choice. So now, for example, some of you may have just got admission in a mediocre, simple college. Why? You couldn't crack it. To go to IIT Mumbai, you couldn't crack it to any of those places. No issues, right? It's not that only IITians succeed, is it? You have that situation which is destined. Now you have a choice to work hard, to cultivate that attitude. That attitude is not destiny. That attitude is a choice. And when you choose that attitude, hopefully victory will come to you right away. Even if it doesn't come to you right away, you have sown the seed that will pay back. The seed that is sown will certainly fructify. Now, 10 years down the line, 20 years down the line, or later. This is why persistence, sticking it out, is so much essential. Thank you very much, sir.
If a child is born blind and the child questions, what did I do to be born blind? What answer will you give to the poor blind child? If you say it was the wish of God, then God is very unfair. This person is born with 6/5 vision and I am born blind, and we are just beginning our existence. This is gross partiality. The only logical, sensible answer is that this is karmas carried forward from past lives. You see, all the karmas that we have done, not in one life, in endless past lifetimes, God keeps an account. That is called the Sanchit. Sanchit karma is the accumulated karmas of our past lifetimes, minus what we've already burnt out. So every time when God sends us into the world to continue our journey, He takes one portion from the Sanchit and gives it. This portion you have to bear in this lifetime. So the portion of the accumulated which is tied to us in this lifetime, that becomes our prarabdha. Prarabdha is the destiny with which we are born. There is an element of destiny in everybody's life, nobody can deny it. You did not choose the place where you would be born, God chose it. You did not choose that intellect, etc. God chose it and sent you down with it. Though the destiny is determined, at every moment we have a free will with which we can make choices. Understand it that way. When you play cards, the hand that you are dealt with is determined. You cannot say, no, I don't want these cards, I want those cards. You have to play with these cards. But how you play is not determined. A bad player can lose with a good hand. A good player can win with a bad hand. This allows for bridge tournaments to take place. Otherwise, it would be a throw of dice. Similarly, we all have this free will, and the karma that we do with our free will is called Kriyaman karma. Your prarabdha and sanchit is fixed, but Kriyaman is not fixed. So you can slowly change the course of your life. If it is written in your destiny that you will get that $1 million lottery, you will get it. That's destiny. But further, having won it, you could blow it up in a year's time. Or you could multiply it to 1 billion. That would be your independent effort stemming from your free will.
अनअवेयर, अज्ञानता के वश मैंने कोई गलत कर्म किया था. सो लेट्स कॉल दैट अ ब्लैक कलर बॉल. इट वाज अ नेगेटिव एनर्जी. तो मैंने एक ब्लैक कलर बॉल भेज दी थी, तो वापस कौन सी आएगी? ब्लैक ही आएगी. अब जब वो वापस आ रही है, वो 1 घंटे बाद आ सकती है, 10 साल बाद आ सकती है, 100 साल बाद आ सकती है. 1 घंटे के बाद आ गई, याद रहेगा, बॉल फेंकी थी, आ गई. 10 साल बाद आएगी, याद नहीं आने वाला, और 100 साल बाद आएगी तो बिल्कुल याद नहीं आने वाला. एंड देन वी लुक एट दोज सिचुएशंस इन लाइफ एंड वी से, मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों? वो मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो जाता है अगर हमें याद रहता है कि मेरे साथ जो कुछ हो रहा है वो मेरे कर्म का कॉन्सिक्वेंस. एक भाई ने एक दिन कहा, मैं सुबह उठा, जैसे ही मैं बेड से नीचे उतरा, टेबल पड़ी थी सामने. कहते ज़ोर से मेरा पैर लग गया उस टेबल पे. मैं ज़ोर से चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया, कैसे लोग हैं, किधर है नौकर सारे, बेड के सामने टेबल रख दी. ज़ोर से चिल्ला रहा था. कहते धीरे से मेरी वाइफ ने आकर कान में कहा, रात को आपने खाना खाया था, आपने रखी थी. अब क्या हो जाएगा? अब क्या होगा? This is a consequence of my previous karma. But because I do not remember that it's a consequence of my previous karma, I look for someone to blame for what is happening in my life. जैसे हमें याद रहेगा, this is a consequence of my karma, blame finished. जब हम लोगों को ब्लेम करना बंद करते हैं, हमारी बहुत सारी शक्ति बच जाती है. अब मैंने ब्लेम करना बंद किया, एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, इस बार मैंने टेबल को ठीक से रखना है.